Does your Dyson V11 sound like it's trying its best, but it's just not? Like it's lost its power? You're not imagining things. That loss of suction, or sometimes just a weird whining noise, is often a sign of a faulty motor. And unfortunately, it's a common problem plaguing many Dyson V11 owners. The faulty motor can be caused by a few things. Sometimes it's worn out bearings causing friction, or it could be burnt out coils inside the motor itself. Either way, the motor just can't generate the suction it needs. Ignoring this problem won't make it go away. In fact, it'll probably get worse. You'll waste time and energy trying to clean, your allergies might flare up, and eventually that motor could completely give out. So, you're dealing with a faulty motor in your Dyson V11? You're probably thinking, this is going to be expensive and complicated, but hold on. At RoboCare, we specialize in bringing those tired V11 motors back to life. We've seen every kind of Dyson motor problem imaginable, and our technicians are rigorously trained to diagnose and repair them quickly and effectively. We know these machines inside and out. We utilize specialized diagnostic tools to precisely measure motor performance and pinpoint the exact cause of the failure. We can identify issues like worn bearings, damaged windings, or faulty electronics with pinpoint accuracy. Our repair process involves carefully disassembling the motor, thoroughly inspecting each component, and replacing any faulty parts with genuine replacements. Enough talk? Are you ready to see the difference a RoboCare motor repair can make? Just listen to that power. RoboCare's expert motor repair revitalizes the Dyson V11, restoring its peak suction and cleaning performance. After we returned the vacuum to the customer, they were thrilled, exclaiming that it performed just like brand new. Don't let a faulty motor leave you in the dust. Visit our website today or call us to schedule your Dyson repair. Courier service and in-store repairs available.